Baba.
Ma, she's my mother.
It was a moment full of magic for Supriyo Chakraborty and Abe Dung that the couple loves to relive.
It was full of emotions. People laughed, people danced, people cried.
An elaborate big fat Indian wedding, as the couple calls it.
So this is the haldi setup.
Full of tradition, surrounded by family and friends, but crucially without what comes next for heterosexual Indian couples.
Marriage typically comes with a bundle of rights. As of now, in the eyes of the law, we are nobody to each other, like we are strangers.
That's what pushed the couple to petition India's Supreme Court to legalize same-sex marriage, pleading for rights such as making healthcare decisions for their partner, naming them an insurance beneficiary, or applying to adopt a child.
It's a feeling of pride.
And they're also looking for something more emotional.
My mother, I really want her to introduce Abhay as her son-in-law rather than friend's friend or whatever. Right, those things still matters in our country. So if we don't take the charge, who will do it? Somebody has to do it.
They may have been the first couple to petition the Supreme Court, but other cases have since joined, moved up from the lower courts. About a dozen, all with slightly different arguments, but a unifying theme, that same-sex couples should have the exact same legal rights as any other union. India's highest court struck down a law criminalizing gay sex in 2018. If it rules with the petitioners in this challenge, it would be a dramatic win for marriage equality, more than doubling the number of people globally with the right to legally marry anyone they wish in one fell swoop.
How do we move forward?
The lawyers involved think this could set a precedent in Asia, where Taiwan alone allows same-sex marriage.
Whatever is the decision of our Supreme Court will have a great impact on our neighboring countries as well.
The Indian government is against same-sex marriage and will argue as much in front of the court. Some from the ruling BJP party have made their positions clear in Parliament.
Same-sex marriage would cause complete havoc.
Still, lawyers and activists are hopeful that change is imminent.
We believe that Constitution is on our side, and therefore we are very hopeful that this will result in the change that we desire to see.
One that would cause a seismic shift not just for this couple, but in Indian society and the world over. Salima Shivji, CBC News, Delhi.